Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to yet another video, and this is probably the most exciting video I have ever done. So I just overclocked the Samsung Galaxy S9, or this can even go for the S9 Plus. I just overclocked it and it is quite amazing and quite exciting. So the S9 I rooted is an overclocked is the Exynos 9810 variant, and keep that in mind that the S9 Snapdragon variant is not be rooted. It cannot be rooted at all, or it cannot be overclocked because of the locked bootloader, and this really sucks. So I rooted the S9 using Magisk and the TWRP flashing recovery. The rooting process is not so difficult, neither so simple, and it can be done with a little care. The Exynos 9810 has two clusters of cores. Each cluster contains 4 cores. The first 4 cores are the power-efficient, low-performing cores, which are the A55 codex-based cores. And the other 4 cores are the M3 high-performing cores. And these cores are really clocked at high speeds at 2.7 GHz, and they are based on the M3 architecture by Samsung. Now, when I really tested out the 9810 performance, it was really good when day-to-day tasks using or opening apps, and even in some good high-demanding apps. But after playing a lot of games, I came to know there is a CPU of the Exynos, or the CPU of the Exynos one. I rooted the S9 to use the custom kernel to get a GPU boost or a GPU overclock in the S9 9810 Exynos variant, but when I came to know that there is no kernel right now available to really get the GPU to be boosted really higher, so what I did was I just overclocked the CPU and it let me play games at 60 log frames per second. I was not able to play PUBG Mobile before, and now I am really surprised to see that the 9810 can even outperform the Snapdragon 845 variant when it comes to gaming or PUBG Mobile, and it's really surprising. In gaming, games like PUBG Mobile, M3 cores did not reach to its fullest potential. I was skeptical about the CPU overclock to help in gaming because it depends more on the GPU side, but when I overclocked my phone, and the results were more than just surprising. Before the overclock, I used to have 30 to 40 FPS in PUBG, and even those 30 to 40 FPS were not stable at all. So I just overclocked using the kernel editor app in Play Store, which requires rooting, of course. And after rooting, I just gave it the root access and got it to be running at least 55 stable FPS. I mean, it's locked 60, but if you want to be really techie or really geeky about it, it's 55 FPS, stable one. And yes, it does cause me a lot of battery drainage, like really lot. This game is not optimized for the Exynos variant well, so I had to overclock it to get it to its fullest potential, and now it drains battery like butter. I mean, it's really bad in battery life. And also, I wanted to tell you guys that the temperatures also reached 43 to 46 Celsius and average, which is a tad bit higher than what we should be expecting for a gaming phone. But it's not a gaming phone, of course, and it is the Exynos variant, so this is accepted for me to play games on this mobile with 55 stable FPS to get and getting a 3 or 4 higher Celsius temperature is, I guess, okay for me. So that was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you want to ask questions about rooting or stuff like that of S9 or any other phone, just tell me in the comment section and I shall help you out. And that was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Smash the like button if you did it, and smash the dislike button if you want to, of course, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Arez, and I'm signing out. Peace out.